welcome back to my channel Bilza Janvi. Hi, my name is Janvi and I post makeup, fashion, skincare and hair care related videos. So today's video is all about the Diwali skincare routine. The festive is all near to us and wedding season are also coming. तो आई थॉट वाई नॉट टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑन अ स्किन केयर, क्योंकि मैं ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे मेकअप वाले वीडियोस बना चुकी थी. सो आई थॉट लेट्स give it a perfect video for your skin care. Now before moving towards the video, I'll request you all to please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you will be updated with my upcoming videos. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the so in this skincare I am saying you कि आप लोग जो लोग चेहरे को शेव नहीं करते, शेव इन द सेंस ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको आदमियों जैसा शेव करना है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. हमारा वुमेन्स का एक अलग से फेस रेजर आता है, वो कुछ इस टाइप का दिखता है एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड टिंकल करके है. आपको अमेजोन पे बहुत ईजिली मिल जाएगा and that too I will put the link of every product which I am using in my description box. अगर आपको लेना होगा तो आप ले सकते हो. So let's come straight to the point that कि आपको ये रेजर यूज़ करना है because जब आप अपने फेस को शेव कर लेते हो ना, जब हमारे फेस पे कोई भी पीच फज नहीं रह जाते हैं, तब हमारा फाउंडेशन बहुत ही सीमलेसली ब्लेंड हो जाता है, जो कि बहुत ईजी हो जाता है ब्लेंड करना. तो फॉर दैट what you have to do, you have to shave your face but do not shave your face dry. कभी भी फेस ड्राई शेव मत करना, अदरवाइज आपको एक्ने प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगी और फिर आप लोग मुझे भर भर के गालियाँ दोगे. सो फॉर दैट यू कैन यूज़ एनी एलोवेरा जेल. आई हैव यूज गुड वाइब्स एलोवेरा जेल. आई फाउंड इट वेरी, बस इसकी जो इसमें स्मेल है, आई डोंट नो वाई एलोवेरा जेल में कोई स्मेल नहीं होती है. Why company add a smell to any aloe vera gel? But still it's a transparent, they have not added any color. It's a cruelty free, parabens, no sulfate, cruelty free, no mineral oil, everything. And this aloe vera gel you can use in a different ways. The first way which I am using, you can use like that also. So what I have done for this, मैंने ये एलोवेरा जेल अपने ऑल ओवर फेस पे लगा लिया और जब उसके बाद मैंने शेव करना शुरू किया. डू नॉट शेव योर फेस अपवर्ड, हमेशा डाउनवर्ड की तरफ शेव कीजिएगा. नेवर डू दैट, दैट इज द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक इफ यू विल डू दैट. एंड सेकेंडली व्हाट यू हैव टू डू कि जब भी ऐसा होता है कि एलोवेरा जेल जब हम एक साइड अपना शेव कर रहे होते तो दूसरे साइड ड्राई हो जाता है कई बार, क्योंकि हमारी स्किन उसको ऑब्जर्व कर लेती है. तो रीअप्लाई इट, उसको छोड़ मत दो, उसको रीअप्लाई करो, उसके बाद फिर शेव करो. उसके बाद that first thing you have to do, you have to wash your face properly just with the plain water. You don't have to use anything. Sorry, I forget to tell you कि before shaving my face I have washed my face with the Good Vibes papaya face wash, which is really very nice. It's a foaming face wash. Now secondly, what you have to do after doing all this, once you have shaved your face, then what, just rinse it off with the plain water and do not forget to use toner after that, because अगर आप टोनर यूज़ नहीं करोगे तो बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. क्योंकि जब हम शेव करते हैं तो हमारी स्किन एक नेचुरली एक्सफोलिएशन होता है शेव के थ्रू. उसके बाद क्या होता है, हमारे पोर्स खुल जाते हैं, तो उनको क्लोज करने के लिए टोनर यूज़ करना highly recommended from my side. Any toner, आपका जो भी favorite toner है. I am using Mamaearth Vitamin C face toner. It is also alcohol free, biologically tested and suits for all skin type. It is also cruelty free. Mamaearth recycle more plastic than they use. So yeah, these are the non-sponsored video. After that, do not forget to moisturize your face with the any moisturizer. I am using Pond's Skin Fit moisturizer, the gel based moisturizer. The skin will absorb it very easily, very lightweight. I have a deep oily skin, so I use only gel based moisturizer and all. If you are a dry skin type of people, use your favorite moisturizer. If you'll ask me, I'll drop some moisturizer for a dry skin type of people. Now coming to the face mask, The face mask which I use to pamper myself is a Mamaearth C3 face mask. It has charcoal, coffee and clay. These three combinations are best for oily skin type of people. This is a holy grail for us because this face mask literally I loved it. I have seen many YouTubers who is just bashing the brand Mamaearth, which I do not like. Might be it is not suiting you, it doesn't mean that product is bad. Do not say like this. Please give a honest and brutal review of every product, because people out there are just buying after your recommendation. So please do not bash any brand, because there lots and lots of hard work for it. Now coming back to my topic, that C3 face mask, what you have to do, you just wash your face and then just apply it on your face. Keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it off with the plain water, and do not forget to apply moisturizer after that. नेचुरल की जब भी आप कोई फेस मास्क लगाते हो ना, तो उसके बाद तो स्किन थोड़ी सी ड्राई हो ही जाती है. Face mask brightens and tightens the skin, reduces acne and pimples, made with the natural ingredients like activated charcoal, acid, caffeine oil, and mulberry extract, cucumber extract, papaya extract. Very easy to use, very easy to spread on your face. This is also paraben and silicone free, collagen with bioactives, and this also cruelty free. Mamaearth recycle more the plastic than they use. This is all for my festive skincare routine. So I hope this routine was helpful for you, and if it is helpful for you, do not forget to hit the like button, and please do follow me on my Instagram page, that is also Abelza Janvi. I create a very interesting reels and IGTV makeups over there. I hope you will like that too also. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye bye.